Welcome back to Teach Me channel guys. I hope you will be fine. In this video I will show you how you can download and import .aia files. So let's get started. First of all, open app. Now go to app section and here scroll down and press on download AIA project. As you can see, project has been downloaded. Now I am deleting this app. As you can see, the app is deleted now. Now we will import it. So go to apps again and press on upload app project AIA from computer. Now press choose file and browse the file where you have downloaded it. Now press OK. As you can see, the app has come back. Now open it. Now you can easily edit this app. If you do not know about .aia files, you can watch the video which is popping out at the top right corner of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Teach Me channel to get notified about any new upload from our channel. Also like and share this video. If you have any question you can ask in the comment section and do not forget to check all other videos.